Welcome back. We're going to be doing another video on running the engine on the hard. The boat's in the boatyard, and I'm just going to show you the steps that I use to run the engine so I can flush out the raw water side with fresh water. So the first step I need to do, which I forgot to do last time, is move the valve for the freshwater and seawater choice to freshwater, because right now it's pumping to seawater. And I'll try to squeeze the camera down. It's right there. You can see the white handle. It's horizontal now, which is blocking the intake for the fresh water, so I will move it down somehow. And then the part I forgot last year was now it's sucking from both the seawater and fresh water. I need to close the seacock, which is right here. Kind of hard to see. So now I close the seacock. So the handle's pointing down or horizontal with the intake, so that means it's off. And that one's open. So we're good to go. And there's my in and out bucket, which I will be filling with water now, and then we'll run the engine. Okay, so we have the valves turned, and here's the hose that's connected to the valve down below, and it's going to the bottom of the in and out bucket. And it's called an in and out bucket because I have water going out, and then I will use the hose to fill it as needed. And if I'm careful, I can actually control the speed of the water going in, matching what's going out. So I will do that now. So basically now I just need to run the engine, and it'll start sucking water from here. So let's do that. Hear me, but you can see that the water is definitely going down, so it's sucking water from this bucket and going through the engine to flush out all the salt water. I don't use any chemicals, not that I'm against them, I just have not had any problem doing it this way before. So let's turn this on, and let's see, I usually run it until I get to operating temperature. So obviously I just started it. And once it's operating temperature, then it'll be good. Let's go down below to make sure that there's no problems. Water pump is turning. I see no leaks or anything, so I think we're good. Let me turn the RPMs down a little. We don't need to be wide open throttle here. So that's that. Still filling. You see, I kind of have it matched to the water being sucked out, because you can adjust most hoses with that little bronze screw at the top to control how much water comes out. So I will let this run for a while. Okay, we're back. I'm just about done running the engine. It's been a while. It's almost at operating temperature, so it's close enough. So let's shut off the water. The water's off. And now that the water's off, let's shut off the engine. So I gotta pull the stop lever and then shut off the key. Okay, so now the engine is ready for the spring, and I'll just leave it in this condition, and then the spring will, to commission the motor, I'll leave everything hooked up so we can be all set for the spring. And the only thing left to do is pretty much wash the boat, and then they can go inside. So that's about it for this one. So I just wanted to show you how to Again, run the engine on the hard. Just put the hose into the in and out bucket, fill the in and out bucket, start the motor, watch water coming out of the exhaust, and just make sure everything looks good down below, no leaks or anything. And that's about it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will have a lot more videos coming up. Thank you very much.